Hi everyone, it's Nat from Studio Hacks, and in this video we're going to be doing a review of AnyWord, which is a very powerful AI writing tool, particularly for writing articles and SEO optimized blog posts. We're going to be having a look at the AnyWord AI Writer, and we'll also look at the AnyWord pricing. But first I want to show you how this product actually works. One of the great things about AnyWord is they will let you try their product out completely for free, no strings attached. I've left a special link in the description of this video and in the pinned comment. If you use that, you can get a free trial of AnyWord. And if you go on to use one of their paid plans anytime in the future, there is an inbuilt 20% discount on any of their plans because we are a VIP affiliate with AnyWord. So what we're going to do once we're on the website is click Start for free, and you can sign up with your email address, or you can sign up with your current Google account that you are logged in with. There are lots of tools within AnyWord to do lots of different SEO writing. You can do it for ad copy, for emails, replying to emails, to create landing pages and social media content. But the one I'm interested in is the Blog Wizard, which will help you create well-written and engaging blog posts with just a few clicks of the mouse. This is really great if you have your own blog, but you can also use this to do affiliate marketing with something called Parasite SEO. If you are an affiliate marketer or you're interested in affiliate marketing, you can create blog posts and you don't have to have your own website. You can put them on Quora, you can put them on Tumblr, you can put them on Medium and LinkedIn. And if you do some good keyword research, you can actually rank your articles in Google and get traffic. And when people read your articles, they might try out the software you're reviewing or the product you're reviewing, and you'll get affiliate commissions. Let's have a look at how this Blog Wizard works, because this is one of the best article creators that I have come across, and it's very simple to use. So what I really like about it is you just pop in a little prompt to get your blog post or your article going. So for mine, I've been doing a little bit of research on SEMrush. SEMrush is an amazing keyword research tool, SEO tool, where you can find untapped keywords and high search, low competition keywords. If you want a free trial of SEMrush, there's also a link in the description. So I have been looking at promoting this website called Wisecut, which is an AI video editing tool and a video clipper. So what I did is I typed Wisecut into the keyword magic tool in SEMrush, and it shows me that Wisecut here, that's a very high competition keyword. High search, high competition, but I found a little nugget of gold here where it says Wisecut AI, and there's 260 searches a month in the US alone, and there's a very easy to rank for score here, 11, very low. When you get that dark green color, that means there's barely any competition. So I'm going to try and rank an article for that keyword on I'm going to pop it on LinkedIn, Medium, Quora, Tumblr, and Reddit. I'm going to put it in 5 places and see if I can get that to rank. I'm also going to make a YouTube video, and I'm going to use this article as the description of the YouTube video. I'm just going to give it a little prompt here. All I've written is write a review of the website www.wisecut.video. Make sure you include calls to action to sign up for a free trial and embed this hyperlink many times throughout the article. That's my affiliate link to sign up for Wisecut. And then you can select a broad audience or a targeted audience. I'm going to leave it on broad. With the tone of voice, it will give you a recommended one, which is engaging, but you can change it to conversational, hard sell, playful, all sorts of different things. Now, here is the really cool thing, the SEO keyword. So the SEO keyword that I want to rank for is Wisecut AI. You can see that Wisecut video is another one that might be all right. So I'm going to do Wisecut video, and then you can add up to 20 secondary keywords. I've just popped in Wisecut video editor and Wisecut.video. I'm going to select US English, and I'm going to click next, it's going to then give me an option to choose some titles for the blog. So you can use one of their suggestions or write your own, but it's showing that these are the most optimized ones for SEO. So I'm just going to select the top one here and go next. It's now going to generate an outline for a blog. This can take anywhere from 20 seconds to a minute. So this has created the blog outline now, and you can edit these if you like, but I like those, so I'm just going to select next. It's now going to ask, how long do you want the whole blog to be? I'm going to select around 2,000 words because that's good for SEO, and then continue to editor. It's now going to write our article for us. So while it's generating that article, I have just made this little graphic. This is just like my YouTube thumbnail designer. I've done this on Canva, which is a free online design tool. This is just like an image that I can pop in with the blog post. Let's have a look. It's finished doing it here. So we've got a very nice engaging blog post or article here that we can pop onto our own website. But in this instance, I'm going to just create a LinkedIn article and see if we can rank for the keyword Wisecut AI. So over here on LinkedIn, I'm just going to write an article. You can see how quickly and easy you can use these high quality AI writers to create content for you. So I've got the title here. I've got that image that I just made there to make it look nice and professional with a good image. I'm then just going to copy this entire blog post to the clipboard using this button here, and I'm going to paste the entire thing in here. You can see that it's embedded lots of calls to action to click my affiliate link there. So there you have it. We have a really good Parasite SEO article created by AnyWord. I'll probably be posting this on my own blog and across these other platforms as well. I usually get AnyWord to rewrite it, or I use ChatGPT to rewrite it a couple of times to make it unique. You can see in a matter of 5 to 10 minutes, I've got a really good looking article here, and I've got my links in there. I've got images, and I've created that with AnyWord. Another great feature of AnyWord is over here on the right, there's research and then insights. You can actually do a plagiarism checker to scan if your content is original. You can also look at the SEO keywords and see how many times they've appeared throughout the article. So that's my short review of the AnyWord AI writing tool. I hope you've enjoyed this content. If you did, make sure you do like this video and subscribe to Studio Hacks. And if you want to try this out for yourself totally for free, make sure you do use the link in the description of this video and the pinned comment. You'll get a free trial of 2,500 words, but if you ever go on to make a purchase in the future and use one of their paid plans, you will also receive a 20% discount with our special link. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.